Good. I like that. I know what you do anyway because we spoke about it before. Yourself?
In Leeds.
You got one in Leeds?
Yeah.
How many? Bedroom?
4 bedroom, plus a 3 bed that converted to the 4 bed.
Terrace?
Terrace, yes. Through my construction company.
£150,000 on a mortgage. Guys, I'm just going to round the numbers up instead of doing like 152s and 148s because it'll make it confusing. So, let's say his interest rate's 5% on this HMO. This is what you guys need to start learning in order to invest in them. What's 5% of 150k? Okay? Does anybody know what £7,500 divided by 12 is?
625.
£625. Okay? So, he's getting £2,400 a month. He's invested £65,000 capital of his own money. Okay? £625. So, now we're down to just say, ease of use numbers, £1,800 profit a month. What else does he have to pay out of that £1,800? Insurance. Which on a 3-bedroom, the house in Birmingham is probably going to come in at the worst 300 quid. At the worst, okay?
Someone's looking fresh, look.
I've come back, I'm in the area. I used to go here, I don't know, 10, 15 years ago, and I needed a haircut. And time, we don't have today, so we've got to keep it moving.
Does it work?
I don't know, but you ain't gonna be able to lift that with one hand.
What, big man?
Struggling.
Not struggling at all.
He's so proud that he's lifting 10. Look how proud he is.
No, I'm fine.
Look how proud he is.
Are you still talking about my chicken mayo?
He finds it weird that you've got a chicken mayo burger
From yesterday?
from yesterday and you're going to eat it today. He finds it strange and he can't get over
Are you
it.
warm it up?
Huh?
Are you warming the burger up?
No, just eating it cold.
So he's just been on the phone to a member who wants to sign up to the site visit program, where you come along and you go to different sites of mine and different developments. And the guy has just nearly made him cry. He got all emotional, but he's got to get used to people playing on your emotions.
Are you asking whether you have to warm this up?
So
Yes, without my Isabella, like I'm not the most, like, you know, I'm not fucking Gordon Ramsay. I want to know whether I can eat that chicken like
Steve,
that.
you just take that, put it in your sandwich and it's done.
Yeah, but like, you see how he's picked the one that's got no salt, no pepper, there's no like It's just...
What the fuck's going on with you two? Like seriously, I asked you, what do I want that for?
He's not making a burger, is he?
Spice.
You don't like spice? Well, you do like spice, but you can't handle it, can you? No? He's lactose intolerant.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because he is the greatest. He just needs to show it.
Oh, that's I thought he was about to say something slanderous like I'm 17.
No, it's because he's the greatest. You just need to show everyone.
Oh, they're trying to get me into this healthy, go to the gym, get my hair cut today, and I was supposed to do it Friday, I didn't have time. Eat healthy. That's what you're trying to do, the whole team. Because we don't really show the team as much anymore, do we?
No, we don't. No.
We've got a lot of people behind us now. So, me and Water,
That's right. Lovers.
off camera, what do you mean lovers? He's got some real bad problems, you know, with like sexual innuendos. Hasn't he, Adam?
Yeah.
We do.
We are looking at a property, guys, that one of our students have brought over to us, and he's been and viewed it at 10 o'clock this morning. It's in Kidderminster. It's been reduced quite a few times, and he went there and he said, Steve, this has got really big potential. So if you come around here, I can show it you. So if you look here, we have the property there. This is it. Huge detached property, already laid out in certain ways that it would be used, and it's listed at 500,000. It's been reduced quite a few times. It's got great potential for children's care. It's got great potential for care in general. This area, I'm not 100% sure whether it would work for a HMO on the government-backed schemes, but it could be good for working professionals. It's a 6/7 double bedrooms, and there's no onward chain. So he's been there, he's took pictures, he's took videos, he spoke to the agents, he's got me all the information. This could be something that we source this week. I want to break down buy, refurbish, refinance, rent for all of you out there, because a lot of people are telling me that buy to let to death. If we purchase a house that has an end value of £200,000 and we look around the Birmingham area, in 7 to 10 years, that will double, based on capital appreciation and proof of what's happened over the last 15-20 years. Now, if you're sceptical about it doubling, if you base it on 75 to 80%, okay, and we look at it and we say in 7 to 10 years it's worth 350, and the rental that we're getting on this property in Birmingham right now might be between, I don't know, 1100 and 1300, depending on the area of Birmingham. It's very simple to see that in 7 to 10 years we will get £150,000 capital appreciation, but out of the £1,100 to £1,300, once you've paid your mortgage at around 5% on a buy-to-let, obviously some of you can get cheaper, I'm using averages, and then we pay management fees, we pay insurance, and obviously you've got covering costs in the future as well, but none of us know what's going to go wrong or what's going to go right. You might walk away with £300 to £450 a month profit. And people are like, I don't want to tie up £60,000, £70,000 in order to do that. Because what you do is this, you look at years, okay? And we'll do, you know what we'll do? We'll do 7 years just to make it a lot simpler. Year 7. So if we're making £450 a month, we're making around £5,500 a year. So for the first 2 years, that's what we make after everything's paid. In year 3 and year 4, we might put the rent up a little bit, so we might make 6k. Year 3 and 4, 6k. Year 5 and 6, let's say we go up again 10% and we make 6.8k, and then 6.8k again. I'm not going to do the pound signs again. And then in year 7, we might go to 7.5k. We see that going into our bank accounts every single month of every single year. But what we don't see is the capital appreciation that goes on invisibly in the background. So we just said that we can make around 150,000. So if we say every year we're looking at £25,000 or £20,000 a year over 7 years. So in year 1, we've made 20k. In year 2, 20k. Year 3, 20k. 4, 20k. 5, 20k. 6, 20k. And year 7, 20k. That's £140,000 capital appreciation over 7 years. Now if you divide that by 12, again guys, that's another £1,400–1,500 a month. Every month on top of this, a month. So really, if you look at it correctly, the capital appreciation that you make over the long term of owning a buy-to-let, if you buy it in the right area where capital appreciation does its thing, this is the invisible money you make. Now also remember, on these years, you can refinance and pull out more money in order to go again. Year 1 and 2, maybe not, because you've got to let it do its thing and you've got to let it settle and you've got to let it move in the right direction. But by these years, you can start pulling some equity out of your buy-to-lets in order to buy another one and another one and another one. Now, smart investors understand this, but social media will fool you and make you think that buy-to-lets are dead. They don't work. Now, capital appreciation doesn't work in every area. I'm telling you this. There's certain areas where you can buy properties where they're probably cheaper now than they were in 2007, 2008. There's not many, but there's a few. And there's some areas where it might have gone up, 5%, 10%. But if you find the right areas, which are quite easy to find because you can go on Google and check where capital appreciation has happened, this is very easy to predict. But this is the long-term game. And this is the game that most people on social media don't want to play. This is success, the overnight success, 7 days, 1 month, millionaire in a year. It does not work. So if you want to learn how to do this properly, click the link below, fill out a form. I will send you a booklet on all of this, and I will even give you a free ticket to my next event where you get to spend 20 minutes with me and I will break this down in person.